Hi, happy Wednesday. All
Okay.
right, today is session 3, day 3 of lesson 23, and we're doing estimating and measuring length. So we're continuing to do the exact same thing we've been doing. This is going to be really short and sweet, so pay attention for this fast video.
All right, so we're going to take a look at an example problem first. It says, which is the best estimate for the length of a seesaw? So we've all seen these on a playground before. Do we think that a seesaw is 30 inches, 100 meters, or 4 meters? So let's think it out. 30 inches is somewhere between 2 and 3 feet, right? Because
Mhm.
12 is a foot, so 12 plus 12 would be 24. And it's
Mhm.
not quite a third foot yet because that would be 36. So it's somewhere between 2 and 3 feet, like 2.5 feet.
Mhm.
That would be about the size of what would it be about the size of that they can think of? Maybe your arm, as long as your arm. Would you say about 30 inches?
Yeah, probably pretty close.
Something close to that. 100 meters is even longer than a football field. 4 meters is the length of 4 meter sticks. What do we think then? Do we think that a seesaw on a playground is as long as our arm? Is it longer than a football field? No.
Mm-mm.
Is it about 4 meter sticks long? Yeah, that's
Mhm.
a really good estimate. So 4 meters is a good estimate for a seesaw. So the answer that we would write on the line that says solution would be um, the best estimate is 4
Meters.
meters long.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Mrs. Walker, you get the next one.
All right. So, which is the best estimate for the length of the car in the school parking lot? So we're not talking about a Hot Wheels car this time. We're talking about an actual car outside in your garage or outside on the street, an actual car. Okay. So, let's look at this really close 20 inches. So, again, a little less than your arm, right? Because we just talked about that. Almost 2 rulers, a little bit less. Okay. 15 feet. Okay. 50 meters. So we're going to do 50-meter sticks. That's like half of a football field. Okay. Or 100 centimeters. So if I think back, I think I remember that 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter. So that would be like a meter stick. Okay. So we have to think a real actual car. So I don't think it's about the length of half of my arm. 15 feet sounds pretty good. Let's go to the next one. 50 meters. Half of a football field?
That seems too
No.
big, yeah.
And 1 meter stick? Only
That's
one?
too
That
small.
doesn't work either. So what's the only one that makes sense if we do process of elimination?
I think it would have to be B, 15 feet.
I agree. And then it said Kyle chose A as his answer. How did Kyle get his answer? What do you think he probably did?
I wonder if he mixed up the unit of measurement.
I
I
think
wonder
so.
if he thought it said 20 feet instead of 20 inches.
Yep, that would make sense. I agree. So he just got confused on his unit of measure. And that's what we would write down there. He got confused on which unit of measure he was looking in.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was awesome. Now you have your green page, is page 563 and 564. It looks really easy. I know you have this. So do your best work, and we will see you tomorrow.
All right, sounds good. Bye, friends.